We're getting the craziest storm right now, and this has been going on for a half hour now, and I'm just going to show you out the back window. It's really crazy right now. It's just going nuts. Just look at that down there. That's a microburst for miles on end. It's been pounding. It's been going helly. It's been hailing. Just look. Just. Oh gosh! I dropped my freaking remote. Okay. But yeah, the roads have turned into a river. It's just been, and that's what you heard. Thunder. Thunder right now. What a crazy adventure, because yeah, I can get some good thunder shots.
See jump.
There's supposed to be another storm like this coming. It's gonna be like this for a while. Well, I hope you enjoyed.